It's so cloudy though and hazy. I'd love to see it on a pretty day. Smile, Carol. You're on candid camera. This is along the back of the house and along the patio, looking down towards the carriage house, side of the mansion. What'd you say, Carol? Swinging over towards the rose garden. This is the rose garden, looking over at the carriage house. This carriage house is used for their business. And looking inside, I noticed lots of large computers. That's a full business establishment. Good idea. Boy, it's hot out here. It's the tea room, which is adjoined by a patio to the house. The size of that tree. Gee, I bet that's a gorgeous view on a beautiful day.
You can see the bluff.
Lined promenade down to the cliffside ballroom, which we'll be going to in a minute. And you can see there's the party going on down there with the fountains in the background. There's the oak line, walnut tree lined promenade. Down the promenade, that's looking back towards the mansion. Yes, Carol? Huh? Carol says this is boring, but it won't be for the kids. We've seen it once already, remember? So be patient. What a pretty view of the river. That's because we've been running around. This is the lower promenade. From what you were saying a minute ago,
Well, it so happens that she just clarified it for me.
Oh, good. You can clarify it again later. Tennis courts.
Hey, you get that before you get there.
Now we're looking back up towards that upper promenade with the facility cut into the side of the hill.
Wouldn't a kid have a ball here?
Oh, you're telling me.
I have a ball here.
Yes.
This won't come out real well. You don't have to be quiet, George.
Hanging on it. It is beautiful.
Where does that tunnel lead?
Oh, that's the other side.
George, what'd you say?
The other side of that green side, we're up on top here. Green, down below the pool, towards the river.
Everything, it's until you get to the river. Everything else is just like,
Oh, yeah, sure.
weeds in the trees.
When I get through taking a picture of it, if it'll, I don't know if this will take or not. But see, you can see the bluffs on either side of where the Indians are. That's the Illinois side. And you see, it looks like the Mississippi, and then you go back over the Missouri. And then up there, looks like, I don't know if it's Pelican Island.
That's Mississippi over there.
Right, no. Oh, they got a golf cart. That's a good idea.
To get prepared to the house. Okay?
I'm going to turn around to give a view from where we're looking. This is looking up toward. The fountains up there are spraying into their swimming pool.
Can we hug? Can we kiss the pool?
So you can see the house in the background. Missouri River. Wait, couldn't the rain wait till this evening? Carol, speak! Speak! Think you could handle this?
Huh?
Think you could handle this?
Sure.
Can you get in right there? Is that where that, huh?
No, it's all locked up.
Carol? Can you imagine Carol doing something like this out of the back of our house?
What do you think the name Desloge is? Could be French, could be Spanish. What is it?
No, this is Voussier, which is French.
What's after the mansion, Bussier?
This is all a Spanish grant, honey.
No, sir.
Deal with the house.
Well, I don't know. Never know.
Our house
Then he says they have something in the basement, but I didn't ask her what.
No, I didn't.
But everything is.